say for certain, maybe you're still here. I feel you all around me, your memory so clear. Deep in the stillness, I can hear you speak. You're still an inspiration. Can it be that you are my forever love, and you are watching over me from up above? Fly me up to where you are beyond the distant star. Tonight to see you smile, if only for a while to know you're there. A breath away is not far to where you are. Are you just sleeping inside my dream? And isn't faith believing all power can't be seen? As my heart holds you just one beat away, I cherish all you gave me every day, 'cause you are mine forever love, watching me from above. And I believe that angels believe, and that love will live on and never leave. Fly me up to where you are beyond the distant star. I wish upon tonight to see you smile, if only for a while to know you're there. A breath away is not far to where you are. I know you're there. A breath away is not far to where you
It's a long, long journey till I know where I'm supposed to be. It's a long, long journey, and I don't know if I can believe when shadows fall and block my eyes. I am lost and know that I must hide. It's a long, long journey till I find my way home to you. Many days I've spent drifting on through empty shores, wondering what's my purpose, wondering how to make me strong. I I know I will falter, I know I will cry, I know you'll be standing by my side. It's a long, long journey, and I need to be close to you. Sometimes it feels no one understands. I don't even know why I do the things I do. When pride builds me up till I can't see my soul, will you break down these walls and pull me through? 'Cause it's a long, long journey till I feel that I am worth the price you paid for me on Calvary. Beneath those stormy skies, when Satan mocks and friends turn to foes, it feels like everything is out to make me lose control. 'Cause it's a long, long journey till I find my way home to